Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing Company, here to talk about heater maintenance. So heater maintenance, this is pretty much general heater maintenance, but I'm going to do it on our Pic-A-Watt heater. So first what you want to do is to turn off the circuit breaker. It'll be a double pole breaker, 15, 20, or 30 amp, and flip the breaker off and verify that your power's off. Then you'll take your screwdriver, take the 2 screws out of the grill, pull off the grill, and it's usually best to pull the heater out. It's a lot easier to work on. And make sure you've got a paintbrush and some synthetic oil. It just has to be paraffin free, has to be a synthetic. Anything that you use in like a sewing machine would work. Then I have an old heater here that can show you what they look like if you don't maintain them. But you just take the zoom spout and stick it right in where the shaft is and where the wick is for the synthetic oil. Give it a squeeze. You may want to put a rag underneath it to stop any of the oil from getting on everywhere. And then that's the one side. And then the other side, you put a little bit of oil in and let it drip out, and it will draw it into the wick. So then the motor, and just spin it a little bit, and then the motor will free up. Then the squirrel cage, you want to take a paintbrush, and it doesn't look that dirty, but as you start to dig out all the dust and lint out of the squirrel cage, you'll see how much lint is actually in there. So by doing this, you can increase the heat and the airflow by about 20–30%. And that'll help and improve the airflow from the heater and drive it across the room and make it much more efficient when you're running your electric heaters. So get all that dust and lint out, take your vacuum cleaner, vacuum it out, and you'll have a very well-running Pic-A-Watt for the heating season. So one day, give yourself an hour, and you'll have a great heating season.